Hello everyone. In this video, we'll continue with the alcoholic beverage. We will discuss about the liqueur and other spirits. So, liqueur is a flavored and sweetened spirit having a high alcoholic strength. So, they are the many distillers who make liqueur of different flavors and colors. They are always served in a small quantity and also served as a digestive and the end of the meal, and especially used in the cocktail. Okay, the production of liquor depends on the what spirits you are using, because to produce a fine liquor, the alcohol we use must be a very high in strength. Okay, so whenever we adding the flavoring and coloring agent. So for a flavoring agent we use the herb, flowers, bark, fruits, and sweetening agent, where we using the syrups in that which are in sweet, and there's a corn syrup, maple syrup, sugar syrup, honey. Okay, and in that coloring agent, for to give the color to the liquor, we use coloring agent like the dye or color. Okay, the coloring agents in that, which could be a natural or artificial color use. The production of liquor depends on the mainly on three bases: the maceration, influence, and procreation. The maceration and influence are both look like similar, but the temperature is mainly different between that. In that maceration, we use the soft and delicate fruits are used to give the flavoring in the to the spirit. Okay, to preparation of the liquor. In this method, the means maceration, the flavoring agent are soaked in the cold spirit, okay, for a longer time to gain a maximum flavor. Okay, and then influence, we use the similar uh, like maceration, but the warm spirit is maintain a constant temperature for several days. In the maceration we use cold spirit, and influence we use warm spirit. The percolation is a totally different method from that. In this method, spirit is continually passed through the flavoring agent by heating. Means we put flavoring and coloring agent at one place, and we pass it the spirit, okay, continuously. So that is the influence of the coloring agent get the flavor, okay, to the vapor. Okay, so that is the extract natural may be blended with the base spirit. That is the basically spirits of the production of the liqueur. There are several types of liqueur, okay, like Galliano, Irish mist, Kalua, okay, Bailey's Irish cream, cream the banana, cream the cases, Kia Maria. So that is all are different, which is mainly different. Okay. Now if we talk about the exudu wine, means those are spirit distilled spirit which is made from the fermented mash of the fruit. That's called a exudu wine. Okay, that's called the Calvados and Applejack come from that way. Okay, and there are other spirit which is are basically the property of their nation. Okay, so they the known, you will they find in their country, and they known as by their country who produce. Okay, so if we talk about the sake is a brewed and fermented drink from the rice, which majorly popular in the uh, Japan. Okay, so and if you talk about the grappa is a spirit from the Italy, which is produced from the residue, means the leftover of the wine making, means the skin and stalk which are leftover from the, okay, and sometimes it use also apple also. So mark is a similar thing, but it is used from the France. The spirit from the France, it is distilled from the grape skin, pips, and stalk left behind after the wine making. Okay, the grappa is from the Italy. If you talk about the toddy, the Indian palm tree fermented or palm juice, which is popular in the Kerala. Okay, the feni, which is cashew fruit fermented juice, which is popular in the Goa from. Okay, and the ark Putin is again the Irish drink which is made from the potato. These are the other spirit which is known from the their country basis. Okay, if you talk about the snap popular from the American and Scandinavian countries, it is distilled from the grain or potato flavored with the caravan cumin seeds. Okay, that called the aquavit, and it is native of the Scandinavian countries, and also snaps is in Germany and snaps. Okay, so that is all about other species. Ozo is also from the Greece. Okay, So thank you for that. This is all about the alcoholic beverage we cover up in whole revision video. Thank you.